Guys, today I've got something super cool to share with you all, an epic solution to a common problem we've all faced. You know those times when you want to create a hilarious meme but can't find the right one? Well, worry no more because we've stumbled upon the ultimate AI meme generator that'll have you laughing out loud in no time. This is a must-watch. Welcome back to Who is ML? Alright, let's dive right into it. So, remember those meme generators in the past where you're able to type in the text or even upload a photo? Well, behold, as this has now been supercharged. And guess what? It's totally free, and it's packed with awesomeness. Say hello to supermeme.ai, this is super cool. So what's the big deal about SuperMeme? It's not just your average meme generator, it has some fantastic features. You've got text-to-meme, themes, and even a search function. But here's the real star of the show, the AI component. Just click on text-to-meme, type whatever hilarious thought comes to your mind, hit generate, and voila, a world of meme possibilities at your fingertips. Now here's the part where it gets even cooler. When you create a meme, SuperMeme's AI doesn't just stop at what you wrote. Nope. It actually gets creative and adds its twist to your text. So if you wrote, "I ate 3 pieces of cake, no regrets," the AI might turn it into something like, "When you eat 3 pieces of cake and have no regrets." It's like having your very own meme-making sidekick. Hold up. Before we go any further, if you're already getting hyped about SuperMeme, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and link in the comments any cool memes that you've created in the comments below. Alright, let's see SuperMeme in action. I'm going to create a meme right here, right now. Studying all night for exams, no regrets. Hit generate, and boom! Look at all these epic memes it came up with. I mean, seriously, the AI knows exactly how to tickle your funny bone. Now let's say you want to make a tweak to the meme. Easy peasy. Just click on the meme you like the most, and then hit the edit button. You can easily customize the text and make it even funnier. Perfect. You might be wondering, is there a catch? Do I have to pay for extra memes? Well, here's the good news. You get 20 credits, and when you run out, you can reload for free. That means endless meme-making madness without breaking the bank. And let's talk about the sheer variety here. SuperMeme is like a meme treasure trove, buckets and buckets of hilarious memes just waiting for you to explore. You won't run out of meme ideas anytime soon. SuperMeme doesn't just serve the same old text, it thinks outside the meme box. So when you're lacking inspiration or feeling a bit lazy, let the AI do the work for you. It'll come up with some seriously creative and funny memes having you in stitches. So there you have it, folks. SuperMeme.ai, the ultimate AI meme generator that's revolutionizing the way we meme. Free, fun, and fantastically creative, it's a must-have tool for every meme enthusiast out there. Have fun creating your own. Subscribe for more amazing AI adventures right here on Who is ML. Till next time, keep the memes flowing and the laughter going. Elevate your tech game. Peace out.